In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the AI Assistant in Oracle Analytics Cloud and Fusion Data Intelligence. The Oracle Analytics AI Assistant is an AI-powered tool that allows you to ask questions using natural language and quickly receive visualizations as answers. This feature is available for subject areas and datasets, making it easy for users to analyze data without the need to build visualizations from scratch. In this scenario, I'm an HR analyst, and I'd like to know which departments have the largest headcount. I'll begin with a workbook loaded with the HCM Workforce Course subject area delivered by Oracle. I'll click Auto Insights and then select the Assistant tab. I'll then enter which departments have the largest headcounts right now. The AI Assistant generates a bar chart with a descriptive caption using data from my subject area. I can ask follow-up questions or make the requests to refine this chart. In my example, I'll ask it to filter out the column with no values. To improve readability, I'll ask the AI Assistant to display only the top 5 departments and convert the chart to a horizontal bar chart. Now, the chart shows the headcount for the 5 largest departments, and the no value column has been removed by the AI Assistant. There are also shortcut icons for easy customization, like chart type or add filter. To continue my analysis, I can add any of these visualizations to my workbook with the Add to Canvas icon. In addition to subject areas, the AI Assistant feature is also available for datasets. In this scenario, I'm a sales executive for a sports merchandise company. Here, I have a workbook containing sales data, and I am interested in analyzing our sales performance during last year's Formula 1 or F1 racing season. I'll ask the AI Assistant, show me how my sales trended only during the F1 season last year. The AI Assistant generates a line chart with a descriptive caption using data from my dataset. It also incorporates external context not found in the dataset, such as identifying which months correspond to the F1 season. The AI Assistant enables business users to quickly and easily generate visualizations from their data using natural language. Find additional videos and more information and resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.